Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tutorial on setting up your very own privacy fence screen at home. Today, we will show you two simple ways to do it using our upcoming 3x10 version. If you're curious about different sizes or colors, just drop us a comment below. Now, let's jump into the unboxing. I'm tearing up the packaging with my hand. You can use a scissor if you want. The surface looks smooth, and it's got evenly distributed grommets sitting on reinforced borders, as you can see with the white strips. You don't need to be very gentle when handling the product. We're so confident with its durability, we're backing it up with a 3-year warranty even in the harshest environment like hurricane. Plus, we're always working on improvements, so please stay tuned for an upgraded version that's coming up in weeks. For installation, all you need are ropes or zip ties. If you don't have any laying around, just reach out to us. We will ship them out to you for free. Now, on to the installation. There are two popular methods depending on your fence type. If you got metal poles, get creative. You can wave it through it in a zigzag pattern, or secure it down on one side. And remember, it's best to secure all grommets, especially if it gets windy where you are. And that wraps up our tutorial. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment below. Happy fencing, everyone!